So the implant denture process is very, very surprisingly for you, easy to do. What we do is we bring you in, let's do a free consultation, free CT scan, and then we bring you in and we take molds of your mouth so that we can see exactly where things need to be, and so that we know exactly what you want to have a beautiful smile again. Then we may do a wax try-in, which means that we try in the denture, the future denture, and make sure that we love the way the bite is, we love the way it looks, you love everything about it. And then the next step is we get you numb, we place the implants and place the hybrid denture that locks in place and then allows you to eat everything you love to eat, taste everything you love to eat, and as a denture, it doesn't move, it locks in place, but you will have to remove it a couple times a day to clean out underneath because we want everything to last you a lifetime and to be clean and healthy. So give us a call for a free consultation and a free CT scan.